behalf of Willie, myself Pradeep Bandekar, I welcome you all for today's trip organized by Sri Willie.
Look for William, and we know our thing would be done. And I think he was very obliging, whatever it might be. And he was always smiling and ready to help. And we wish him all the best in his retired life, good health and happiness. All the best, William.
Saw him in the hospital, and William, I have known him since 1996, even before I joined MPT, because I have known him in Manipal where I was studying, doing my PMLT, and he had come there with his father-in-law, and one of my sister's colleague called me and said, there is somebody coming from MPT, go and do. And that is how I met William. And when I came here for the interview at the MPT hospital, the old hospital, I met William. And that time I came to know, okay, William is working here. This is MPT. And as you all know, he's a very kind-hearted person, very joyful, jovial, ready to make fun. Whoever takes it will know William, otherwise others will get angry. So Willie, all the very best to you.
Thanks, Madam. Yeah, rightly said.
विलियम रिटायर जाता केलो ना आयस न्हू ह्या म्हयन्याक कितें जालां केंस आहा तो मोठो जाला बारीक जाला ना आस्तेच आहा केंस बेस पिकले आसले ना तेगे काळे आस्तेशे आहाय आमगे पिकले so that is William, you know, and although I have been transferred there for just 3 years now, but I knew William earlier. Before I started working, when I used to come to the hospital with my mother, I used to drop her by bike. That time I knew him.
William, I know him from 2004 because from GAD I was transferred to on promotion to medical department, and that time the hospital was at Paina. So from there the bonding with William started, and after I got transferred from there to some other department, William's relationship with me didn't go out. It was the same thing. He is the same person when he was earlier, now, and I think it will be forever. So, but he remained the same, helpful to everyone. But Pradeep said one thing, that you have rendered 41 years of service. But I think you are just 41 years of age now. But keep it continuing. And we'll be meeting now. You are only retiring now. Only retired, but not tired. But that Obama also at the age of 75, he filed nomination for US President. You are just 60. Nothing is there.
Things like, no, William, anytime you tell William, you have to help us, okay? Even in our get-togethers, anything, William is always ready. Even his work-wise, we never had a problem. He always obeyed. So I can, from my heart, I can tell that William is a very obedient person and very helpful and a team worker. We can work in a team and get along and get the work done. So we'll miss William and the record section, and I wish him all the best.
Whatever said and done is true, because I'll be missing him, because whenever I required an appointment, he is the man Friday. So whenever, even if he's on leave, he used to take a number for me. So I'll be missing him. He is a very jovial and smiling person. So William, so I am seeing him from 1998, not only in NPT, we used to meet in the church, and my family also knows him. So William, all the best, and may you have a nice, happy retirement.
Heard what you have spoken, because I just came out. But you all know who William is. And for the union, he is a very senior union member, an executive committee member also. केन्ना हॉस्पिटलाक कितें आसा जाल्यार कोणाक सांगल्यार बरो विलियम आबोलो आसा ती soon he used to do that bro. There was no problem, he was a helping hand for the area, and I'm not taking a longer time. So I wish him all the best, and on behalf of union and everybody, all the best to you. Happy retirement. Thank you.
व्हडलें कांय सांगूंक सोदना, व्हड कांय म्हणूंकय सोदना. मोगाच्यान तो आपुरबायेच्यान तो म्हाका तुमी सगळीं एकठांय जाल्या उतराक रिस्पेक्ट कशें दिवन बांदेकारान सगळें कितें सांगपाचें सांगलें, सगळ्यांनी कितें सांगपाचें तें सांगलें. हांव व्हडलो टायम वेस्ट केलो, टायम जाला. तुमी म्हज्या उतराक पाड दिवन येयल्यान देखून तुमकां काळजांत देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तुमचो मोग म्हज्या काळजांत सदांच आसता. देव बरें करूं तुमकां.
A closing, but it is always a new beginning. As retirement gives you time to follow your dreams, you are never too old to get another goal or to dream a new dream. Retirement is another chance in life to do new things and be a new version is open for you all. Those who want to dance, yes, English music is also available. We have made it available for you. And really thank you for giving me this opportunity to conduct the program. Thank you very much once again. God bless. कोण सॉंग बी म्हणूंक सोदता MP3 हाडला, लॅपटॉप हाडला, तुमची चॉयस कितें आसा तें नाजाल्यार मोबायल कनेक्ट करा.
Hello? Hello?
Thank you.
Monica. Corona.
तेरा साथ ना छोड़ के सबसे सिमरी ये दोस्ती नहीं तोड़ेंगे तेरा भी ना साथ है, खाना भी ना साथ है, खाना भी ना साथ है, सारी जिंदगी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, छोड़ेंगे हम मगर सारे लपेटे हुए वो जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो।
पहचानो, जरा पहचानो, मैं हूँ कौन।